Hey guys, it's BNS here with SPAC.co. Just wanted to give you a quick update on this course. It has been a while since I've updated the How to Master SEO course. However, I do have some content plans in the works. May take a little bit of time to get that out to you, but just wanted to give you a quick update. For the meantime, though, if you want to ask me any SEO questions, have any resources shared, or anything of that nature, why don't you head on over to SPAC.co and let me show you a couple of things that we have that you might like. So this is our community page. As you can see, the domain is pretty simple. It's just spac.co. And just a little bit of additional info about the network. It's primarily aimed for junior web developers who want to become senior web developers. However, we have a bunch of additional subtopics, and I think you guys would fit right in here. Let me go ahead and actually pull this up. So as you can see, we do have a fairly vibrant community. Community members will get access to free scripts that I and other community members create. Like this one, for example, you may want that. This will actually allow you to automatically connect with people on LinkedIn. That's free and pretty easy to use. I just created that. Also, a handful of other channels. If you have any feedback on the course or anything that you'd like to see on it, please go ahead and pop that in here. And quite a few other topics that have to do with development and neurodiversity if you're interested. Thanks again for watching this course, and feel free to join us at spac.co.